What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new everyday carry vlog here in my channel. So okay, so after a long period of time, after a long period, it's been it's been a couple of months, right? So since I don't make and was in my everyday carry here in my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new version. I'm gonna make a new what's in my everyday carry backpack, right? So winter edition, right? So alright, and then yeah, got some stuffs, got some still updated. I got some updated everyday carry that I have put into my backpack, right? So this is for now is on it's just only a simple backpack that I have bring it up. So in my everyday carry work, and also this is just only what is this one a bargain of a bag, okay, which is I bought it in Walmart. Oh, okay. I bought it in JCPenney, right? So it goes, and it is a good one. Also, it is also I really love it. Got some neon colors of it, and also we've got right over here is this backpack right over here, which is also has a brand of a Nike, right? So yeah, and it's also it's just only a simple backpack, right? So this is only a simple backpack that I am bringing up. So my other backpack is an sport, yeah, and also a simple backpack. So not I don't have those tech backpacks that other tech blogger have, right? Just like your ABG consumer. And also there's also tons of tech backpack and travel tech backpack he had, right? So I wanted to have those, but those backpacks are so expensive, right? So I decided to have this kind of backpack, right? So since this is only my daily work, right? So I go right here. So we've got right here is my backpack right over here, which is also just only a simple backpack. So okay, without further ado, so let's gonna start up. So alright, so right over here, alright, in this backpack, so we've got some here a compartment. We've got another compartment in here and a compartment for water, but I gonna have to put this one also another like that. Okay, so let's go, gonna have to check the side compartment. Also I have right here is a Kleenex, right? So a Kleenex everyday tissue, small one. So just in case if I want to have, sometimes I'm always having a runny nose, right? So since of the cold weather here in USA, I always bring this up. So that's why I have to bring this. Okay, and then so up next is also I've got my Blistex, my Blistex Repair and Protect for your lips, so dry. So I always getting, my lips are getting dry when it comes to winter, right? So yes, and it's also I've got also got some medicines right over here for pain reliever, headache or anything, right? And it's also got some calcium right over here for my bones, right? So we got some ibuprofen, Tylenol, and also calcium. Okay, and also on to the next is we've got right over here is also at this other side. Okay, in the other side of this backpack is I got my mini flashlight right over here, which is also a great, it is our USB-C rechargeable. This is a great and also a very very light. You can watch my unboxing and review for this one if you haven't yet. So you just have to check that out, right? So nice, and also I really love it also. It's also compact and lightweight, and it's got a magnet in here, and which you can magnet everything. You can magnet in every metal, right? So you can magnet it up in I can magnet it up in every metal. So okay, and then also the next right here is also I've got my multiplier tool. I've got right here is my multiplier tool, and it's also, this comes from the Guidespan. So Guidespan is so very cheap and affordable tools, right? So and it also, this is also a great one for me to have it. So since got kind of something to repair, so this is a good one for me to have it, right? So and it's also affordable one, right? Perfect. And it's also a nice everyday carry gear, right? So all right, so next is also I still got something right over here, another one. So to complete, right? So my everyday carry gear. So I have my Husky, right? I have my Husky multi. I have my Husky that like this one, and it's also a really good, perfect for unboxing boxes, right? So if you are working, if you are working and you doesn't have a box for you have a box to open up, so you can open this one right over here. So yeah, opening boxes, right? So some items, some workplace having have to open boxes, right? So that's good for you know, right? So okay, next is also right over here. So I'm gonna have this compartment right over here, and it's also I've got my extra card wallet over here, right? I got my extra card wallet, and it's also the next is also I've got my main card wallet over here, like this one, right? So I'm gonna have to get that. And then also got some cash right over here, got some cash, okay, just in case, right? Just in case, got some cash. And there's also my main pillbox right over here is right over here, which is also a three compartment, right? So have morning medicine, lunch medicine, and dinner medicine. So I just only have the, what is this called, right? For the lunch medicine. So because I always having because my work is on mid shift, right? Okay, so my work is on mid shift. Okay, so I got some right here, got some mints, got some icebreakers, okay, and it's also I bring some gums, okay, I bring some gums right over here, and then also get some snack bars, okay, just in case snack bars, okay, and it's also a really good one, all right. And next also got some pens, okay, I really bring some pens right over here, a nice one. I just a simple pen, right? So just a simple pen. And right over here is also this one right here is this is not just a pen or a Sharpie, right? But it's a good pen, a Sharpie pen, right? So a Sharpie pen is also a backup flashlight. Okay, I've got a backup flashlight for this one, so it's still on working. Yeah, it is very good. It's still a nice one for me to have this one kind of, yeah, like that, right? So next, okay, so we headed onto the main compartment over here. So yeah, we're gonna go to the main compartment. So before that, so I'm gonna have to show you some of my stuff that I did, it gonna be put into my main compartment. Is also I'm gonna have to bring my coffee mug right over here, which is also from Brew, right? It's also a good one. I bought this on Menards. A really good one also for me to have this one. I always bring this one to fill up a coffee or to bring some coffee, right? So since my workplace is having a coffee machine, so I just have to refill this one, right? So and it's also my part of the EDC is also my phone right over here is my Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, right? And which is still good phone for you to have. Still a good phone, right? So yeah, and also a good everyday carry, right? So next is also this one right here is I got my INI Oasis G3 MP3 player. So I am using an MP3 player. So I am not using my phone since my phone doesn't have a micro SD card slot. So I am using a MP3 so to avoid social media, right? So I also to avoid social media and distraction, right? So I think MP3 player is a good options for you to a good options for me to play some music. So it is a modern MP3 player, right? Which is also has a what is this called? Which is also has a Spotify, right? And it's also it's still all of it, and it's also but I am not I cannot use a Spotify for this one is because it's just meant for MP3, right? So I installed some APK AIM aim. So that's why I have to categorize all the playlists into the, I categorize the genre of the music into playlist, right? So that's why I have to, that is why I have to, what is this called? Okay, I forgot. So that's why I have to categorize all the genre of the music I want to play, I want to listen, right? So yeah, it is also, yeah, just for example, I'm gonna have to listen to pop music, I'm gonna have to listen to pop music. So if I'm gonna have to listen to rock music, I have to listen to certain genre of the music, which rock music, metal, pop, punk, or anything that I want to listen. So just right over here in the palm of my hands. And also I really, and it's also the last time that I am using is my other phone, which is from Philippines, that I am using an MP3. But you know, it's too big for my pocket to put in the, to put it in my phone. So I have to bring another. I have to bring two phones because yeah, because so I have a Spotify on my S23 FA, but you know, as it's gonna be distracting is because I'm when I skip, I'm gonna have to open a Facebook. So that is why I have to use an MP3 player for distraction, for the social media, right? So a good a good uh, a good options, yeah, a good option. So it's not a choice, right? But it's not a choice, but you know, an option is a good one. An option is a perfect, idea to get away from the social media, right? So most of my things are all, most of my also things are is not related to some social media, right? So I have my Walkman, I have my Discman, I have my radio right over there. Yeah, so yeah, so I'm still listening to FM radios. I am also listening to, my CDs. Yeah, physical media. So I am a collector of physical media, right? I am a collector of physical media. So that is why I am into MP3. So ever since I am playing music via MP3, not on Spotify, right? So yeah, so since I am not subscribing in Spotify, right? So I am not subscribing to Spotify. So okay, let's get overhead into the main compartment over here, in which is also for my MP3 player. For my INI Oasis is also I use my SoundPlay headphones right over here, which is also a good music. It is also a noise cancelling, and it's also I really like this one also is because it is so comfortable in your ear, right? So yeah, like that. So yeah, it is feels so comfortable in my ear. It is not gonna be having some trouble with my left ear, right? So sometimes I have a trouble with my left ear. I have a trouble with my left ear when I am using some headphones, right? So that is why I have to wear earbuds. So my everyday carry earbuds is now this one is a Skull Candy Dime 3. Or a nice one, which also you can put it in your Night Eyes S Biner, right? I've got my Night Eyes S Biner right over here, which is S Biner, okay? It's a carabiner, right? Okay, and it's also a really good one for you to have it, and in which you can hook it up in your pants, right? Yeah, it is a good one also for me to have. It is also a good quality of music, a good quality of earbuds. So sorry for that. Okay, a good quality of earbuds, right? So alternative, so this is the good one also, SoundPlay headphones, right? So all of the products right over, so sorry for this. So all of the products right over here in my everyday carry is not affiliated into any brand, right? So I bought this for myself. I bought this all of the stuffs, I bought it. So there's no sponsor on this video. All of the products that I mentioned is I bought this on for myself, right? For my own money, not for the brands that I mentioned here in my everyday care. So alright, so yeah, see you again in my next video, everyone.